Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I would like to become a doctor.
When I grow up, I want to be a surgeon and an owner of a hospital.
I want to be a meteorologist.
A nurse.
I want to be the best version of myself.
For me, I want to be a nurse.
The Philippine International English School is a unique and vibrant institution that offers a wealth of experiences to students.
As a Python, speaking from the heart, it is guaranteed that you will engage in various activities that will benefit your bright future and, of course, your present.
PICE is a home filled with highly skilled teachers who are dedicated to create a promising learning environment that boosts not only our academic but also our personal growth. Here in our school, it is an adventure for the eager and the curious minds, and also a journey with thrill, excitement, and fulfillment.
من المهم في مدرستنا أن تكون متنوعة. هذا للجميع ليكن لهم صوت وأن يروا أنفسهم في كل ما نتعلم عنه من أجل التفكير والشعور بأنهم مقبولون. نبذ في كل طالب أن يتلقى ترحيبا هرعان وأن يشعر بالراحة في حياته المدرسية اليومية.
Bukas ang Philippine International English School sa lahat, sapagkat lahat ay nakakakuha ng pantay-pantay na pagtrato. Walang lugar ang institusyon na ito para sa diskriminasyon at maling pagtrato dahil lamang sa pagkakaiba. Hindi ito tinutularan, subalit ipinapaunlad ng PICE ang pagkakaisa para sa lahat ng kanilang mag-aaral.
Our school is a stepping stone for the advancement of students mentally and emotionally speaking. The curriculum is designed to integrate various fields of study, such as art, culture, history, values, and language, not only for Filipinos, but open for all nationalities.
We also offer opportunities for students to explore the essential extracurricular activities to a well-rounded education as it develops a student's critical thinking, leadership abilities, creativity, and of course, self-expression.
At the Philippine International English School, we take pride in our commitment to providing our students with great quality education, starting from kinder all the way up to senior high school. We believe that whoever graduates in PICE or studies in PICE are equipped with the skills and wisdom necessary to thrive in today's world.
Sa kinabukasang may halong liwanag at dilim.
PICE ay bukang liwayway na nakalimutan.
Sa bawat katapusan ng masaklap na ulan, PICE ang magharing hindi matutumpasan.